Top 6 Linux distros set to dominate in 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back to 9 to 5 Linux, where we dive into the world of open source tech and Linux innovations. Today, we are looking ahead to 2026, a year that could redefine the Linux landscape. With Windows users migrating in droves after the end of support for older versions, and exciting advancements in stability, user friendliness, and performance. Linux is poised for a breakout moment. Inspired by expert predictions, I have researched the latest developments from official sources, community discussions, and real world updates. We will explore 6 distributions that stand out for their potential to rise above the rest. These picks blend cutting edge features with accessibility, making them ideal for beginners, developers, and power users alike. So, let's jump in. Number 1, Aeryn OS. Starting with Aeryn OS, a fresh independent Linux build that's all about reliability and modern tooling, formerly known as Serpent OS. It's in alpha but making waves with its atomic update system. This means updates are treated as seamless transactions. If something goes wrong, it rollbacks automatically, preventing system crashes. It's powered by the Rust for its package manager and tools, which boosts security and speed. The desktop is a clean KDE Plasma setup. No bloat, just a beautiful vanilla experience with apps like Discord for easy software installs. In 2026, the team is focusing on enhancing infrastructure and version repositories, aiming for beta stability. If you are into Unbreakable systems and don't mind a command line install challenges, ArynOS could be your future daily driver. It's lightweight, handles rollback effortlessly, and even rebuilds boot partitions if needed. Community buzz on forums like Reddit highlights its potential for developers seeking a robust, forward thinking base. Now, number 2, AnduinOS. Next up, AnduinOS, crafted by a former Microsoft engineer. This Ubuntu based distro mimics Windows 11 so closely. It's a smooth switch for anyone ditching Microsoft. The GNOME desktop is themed with familiar elements like a centered taskbar, rounded corners, and even a clipboard history shortcut. No data collection here. Privacy is a priority. It's aimed at developers, but works great for everyday tasks, with strong hardware support and stability until at least 2026 via Ubuntu's LTS cycle. Recent updates include in-place upgrades to version 1.4.2 with plans for a server edition and more custom components. If you are coming from Windows and want minimal relearning, AnduinOS nails it with extensions for blurring shells and weather integrations. X discussions praise its familiarity, making it a top pick for 2026 migrations. Now, number 3, Besgnulinux. Now for something lightweight, Besgnulinux, a Debian stable-based distro from a solo developer in Turkey, pronounced Best New Linux. It's designed to revive old hardware. I tested it on a virtual machine with just 2 GB RAM and 1 CPU core, and it ran like a champ. Using the JWM window manager, it's fast, stable, and includes over 40 custom tools for tweaking settings. The latest 3.2 releases offers full, simple, and core ISOs for different needs, with Brave as the default browser and Calamarus for easy installs. In 2026, expect more refinements for low-spec machines. If you have an aging PC and want reliability without flashy visuals, this is it. Online reviews call it a notable effort to reduce e-waste, which is perfect for budget-conscious users. Now, number 4, BigLinux. BigLinux lives up to its name by making Linux effortlessly for everyone. It's based on Manjaro with KDE Plasma. It's gorgeous out of the box with dozens of pre-installed web apps for services like Netflix, Discord, and Google, all lightweight and space efficient. Choose your browser during install. Use the Big Driver Manager for hardware tweaks and enjoy features like noise reduction for calls or Android app support via Wandroid. The latest ISO from early 2026 includes kernel options for better compatibility. It's ideal for newcomers, but packs power for pros. Community forums rave about its Samba integration and surprises like built-in restore points. In a year of user growth, BigLinux focus on simplicity could make it hugely popular. Now, number 5, Pop OS. Pop OS from System 76 is a veteran, but its new Cosmic desktop, fully stable as of late 2025, calculates its forward. Written in Rust, Cosmic is a blazing fast, highly configurable, and replaces GNOME for better efficiency. The 24.04 LTS release brings hybrid graphics for NVIDIA, AMD, ARM support, and seamless upgrades. It's gamer friendly with Steam optimizations and handles AI tasks without hiccups. Looking to 2026, version 26.04 aligns with Ubuntu's LTS for even more polish. If speed and customization matter, Pop! OS delivers. X users highlight its stability in virtual machines and real hardware, a shoe in for widespread adoption. Now, finally, number 6, which is Zorin OS. Finally, Zorin OS, the ultimate Windows alternative. Based on Ubuntu, it offers layout choices mimicking Windows, macOS, or even Chrome OS, with Pro editions unlocking premium styles. Over a million downloads post Windows 10 end of life show its appeal. Features like web app creation, online account syncing, and enhanced Windows app detection make transition easy. Supports run until 2029 with performance tweaks for better sound and hardware. In 2026, expect it to shine for families and offices. Reviews call it balanced, user friendly, yet powerful. If reliability and flexibility are key, Zorin OS is hard to beat. So these 6 distros, Aeryn OS for atomic stability, AnduinOS for Windows familiarity, Besgnulinux for lightweight revival, BigLinux for effortless features, Pop! OS for speed and innovation, and Zorin OS for versatile layouts, could truly rule 2026. With Linux growth driven by privacy concerns and hardware freedom, now's the time to explore. Which one's your pick? Drop a comment below, like if you're excited for Linux future, and subscribe for more deep dives. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.